we check how to make the division, and on this session we will actually create something for the main division. Within the division we will make a parametric custom family. So what we have to do, that in the massing we need not these shapes, we need specifically some facade elements to design. So for this we have to go for by using a generic model family. I will go to this new and then go to the family, and I need to see this generic model, which is going to be a pattern. This pattern I have to go from there and look for the generic pattern, which is going to be generic pattern, generic model pattern base, which is here. So now once I just open this, it will take me to another family template, and that is going to be something we need to see. Now how I see this one is basically the shape itself, the pattern which we changed, and I select this. Once I select this, then I can actually want to change the pattern, but here this is the grid of this pattern. If I click on it, I can make a creation within the one which we were using, which is rhomboid, and then this is how the shape which we use. Now what I need to see is there are 4 points and segments, and then they are referencing. So referencing is very important. I just select the shape, but first I need to see how this will go. So I need to settle my sides. Now I can turn down on this and set my reference plane. So now how I set a complex set. So here for example, if I do this, or if I go there, or this side, or this is the diagonal side, I need to create something over this point, which is this side, and once I just click on this, then my object will extrude on the same direction. Now I just go for my shape and go ahead and create something like a feasible shape, and right click and cancel twice. Now if I select the shape, which is this, and I select the whole frame by pressing Ctrl, then I am actually going to extrude these and see how I can make something like this. But here, because of the reference plane, this is not possible. So I delete this side, and then I will go for my frame. I can select these 4 sides together without pressing any key, and then if I say I want to extrude something, so I will given 2 sides, which is either this or this. I will select this extrusion side. This is actually to use the mirror, and then I will actually pull up and unlock this face. By just clicking on it, I can unlock this face. So if I click on this side, and this is unlocked. What I need to do is just to make this a little bit of scale. So I have to select the face, then I will go to my scale option, select the center point from edge to edge, and then I will make it a little bit like this. Now here I have this shape which I will actually pull down. Now again, this I will take this to the main project and close this window and say yes, I want to just save this family as family 2. So this will allow me to save the family and then load it into my massing family. Now this is going to be asking me to save the file over the other screen, so I save it, and then this is loading into this project. Now what is changed here, if I select this type, you see we have options coming from the PC, and it was showing us different options. So here I have, just go there to the properties, and then you see the family 2 which we saved. So I select this and reuse this family for my facade. And I see there is an error because of my division. Now what is actually these are the issues, real issues which we face. So I say delete type, and what I need to do here is to double check with the division set. Now for example, if I select here and then I see my division number is 20 by 20, 12 by 12. So if I move them up, then it is more clear and my massing will be stable. Like the way here you can see the family is there, but obviously one few segments are deleted. So I just need to go for selecting this side and then I change the number from 12 to 20. But if you move these number high, then you see Revit will actually crash. So a little bit of possible number where you can see the massing will cover the whole building. You have to wait a bit, depends on the shape, and then you see this side we have our complete result. Obviously you can see some exclusions are coming through, but over this side, let's check this side and then try to get our family type 2 which is already been placed. Here we do not have the family 2, so I will go ahead and select this family 2. So you can see some deformations coming through. So this is what I need to make the family a little bit more clear, so I do not have any kind of deformations. And for a smoother surface you can put through these, but for a complex shape it does show deformations. And I want to change this by going to select my reference, which is here, and I can select one of these by clicking on this. I need to go to the tab, I press tab, select the family which is family 2 and go add it again. This time I will select this which I make and then delete this, and this time it will be a simpler kind of family I will make. Now I need to go to this rectangle again and select the side which is this point. See, the reference plane is coming like this. So I need to set my reference plane, and it is very important to understand all the references. Now for example, I will go to set and show at the same time and set my reference plane. So I need to go to diagonal side of it. So here for example, this is basically, if I take my mouse over there, I need to press tab to select this one which is the side of the shape, and then I will actually go for my shape to be drawn on it, so it can be extruded all over the place. So here if I draw a little bit outside of this and then a little bit smaller, and then my shape is actually towards the direction of my ring. So I select control and then this part which is a profile, and this is the path, and I create a form, and you see this time we have a clear net. Now I load this back to my project and save it, and I want to replace this, and then override. Now let's see how I will actually go for my family to be changed automatically, because I update the family, so it will show us a different result. Normally the more divisions you have, the more complicated the results will be. So a little bit easy, but you can see here these are my cursors and the family which I added. So you can make a lot of designs here by looking at these. So in the next video we will make another shape and I will show you how to make another set of massing.